Hello, it has been quite a while since I've done a video diary and updated you all, but a lot has changed. I moved this summer and I started medication to help with my chronic fatigue, and I have a boyfriend. We've been dating for over a year now, and I'm in my last year of school and I have internships on the run. Yeah, there's been a lot of change. And I'd say it's mostly good change, but at the same time, I feel like I'm stuck in a liminal space. You know, like home, I feel like I don't have one because I've just moved and my new apartment doesn't feel like home yet. And this new school year I'm in is my 5th year of a 4-year program, so most of my peers that I knew before have graduated, and so now there's only a few people I know, and it's mostly new people, and I'm kind of in a phase of my life where I don't desire socialization, which is not very common for me. I'm normally a very social person and I love to go to parties, but I just feel like every time there's a social gathering I could attend, I find some reason not to go. I don't know. It's just weird. I'm in a weird stage right now.
Around there?
Can I see a little lower?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but don't have it straight against the wall. Have it more like
There?
a little more this way. Yeah, right there.
Please don't put this in the video.
I'm gonna hold it up. Are you in reverse?
Ah! Okay. That was my best Will impression. Did you like it? Well, I've lost 3 screws so far. That's what it's supposed to say. Right.
Yay!
Chill.
This is so... I'm scared. I am scared. Or open.
It is also leaning forward off the wall a bit.
I know.
I'm a little concerned by that.
I'm concerned for it as well.
I think that might be too much load for it.
I think so. Off we go. But I gotta go to Home Depot to get stuff for the other shelves. Gotta get some anchors, some screws for said anchors, make sure they match, and I guess a couple more brackets.
I'm zooming in on the brackets.
Yeah.
The next station is Lansdowne Station. The next station is Dundas West Station.
Oh, it's died. What if you leaned in to kiss me? Wow. Do it again.
Nice. Sometimes there are those Jeeps that are parked and they're completely exposed. They have no doors or ceiling or back.
Yeah.
And you could just walk in and just take anything that you wanted, or like if you know, somehow put a key in there and just go, like,
Any key will do.
what the fuck are they gonna do about it?
Don't Jeep people always wave at each other?
Jeeple?
It's like a Jeep thing apparently. It's like they're all just like in a secret club where they all wave at each other. Whoa. This guy's bold. Simply trash. Simply trash driving.
Simply white trash.
Under his record label. But they were like trying to use like make everything out of like Jordan Road. That's where Camp Bake was.
Cherry blue, like cherry blueberry. Strawberry rhubarb. I have a strawberry rhubarb crumble as well.
Okay.
I have peach crumble. I have grape. I have apple or Trius, which is peach blueberry apricot.
Okay. Do you guys do them by the slice or do they need to be a whole pie?
So only one I have by the slice is the cherry blueberry. We make them larger and in a reasonable tin for the slice.
I can
Yeah.
have to get a full pie.
Wholesale. Cherry blueberry for slice. Should we just get also?
It's like special
my God, I fucking
Garcia
love
brand
these cards so much.
espresso.
I just made it on the stove.
Mocha
this
pot.
morning.
Wow. You made where are the beans?
Grist
from?
press.
I feel like a bit of roast
It's like the
vegetables and
breath of fresh air on
cheese.
my ass.
What? Oh my god, I'm so excited for the Yeah, baby.
When we were in Oxford, I was like doing my math homework like on the floor, and then a leaf
Nerd.
flies in and like almost hits me, and your mom goes, "That's a sign."
Time to
Of
stop.
what?
I don't know. She said, "No, this is a good sign." Of what? She said, "You'll have to find out."
What the fuck? You say, okay, so we're doing this.
Okay, so right now we are getting ready to go on a hike, and we're gonna look at a lookout so we can look at that river back there, but look at it better. What she said. Okay, so now we're.
Right here.
Yep.
What if we went down?
What about this though? Let's go.
Oh.
We gotta go down here at some point.
Yeah. Let's just go to normal, and then like when we get to go here, we decide if we want to take the trillium.
Yeah, the only thing is it's like any.
Can you say, okay, so we're...
Hey, so we're sat on a rock right now, and we're looking at the water, and there's a cable car up there, and we're just having like a really good time, just the best time of our lives. I think, you know, all these videos are turning out so gorgeous, and we're getting our blood pumping, so all the endorphins are flowing, and like, I think we're all having a really, really, really just euphoric experience. Like, guys, go outside and touch some grass, because you will not regret it.